I'm about to show you guys an ad that's producing $50,000 a month. And I'm probably going to lose this client by showing you guys this ad, but I really don't care. All right, guys, so here we are inside of Facebook Ads Manager, and I really don't want to say it, but I'm him, right? I wouldn't be showing you this unless I'm actually him, and truth be told, I'm him. So you heard it here first. I'm him, and I'm that guy. You know, I don't want to be, but I have to be that guy. So just so you guys know, I'm not blowing smoke here. Check this out. September 1st through September 5th, 2023. This isn't some old ad. This is real data going on right now. And 48 leads, I know. I know. It's not that impressive, but what if I go back a little bit, huh? What if I go back to the last 30 days? Let's just do that. Last 30 days. 240 leads, $3.76 cost per lead, $900 spent. So around 240 leads, $900 spent. Still pretty good, but nothing amazing. Well, let's go back even farther. Let's go back, I don't know, all time. We have almost 3,000 leads at a $3.50 cost per lead with $10,000 spent. I can't even put these numbers in you guys' head because this is one of the greatest campaigns I've ever seen. And truth be told, I'll say it again, guys, I'm that guy. So let's dive in and figure out why this ad is performing so well. And I'm going to show you guys the exact setup. So if you're in the niche, if you're in the industry, you might want to take some notes here because this is some gold. So if I scroll down here, you're going to see everything is pretty standard when it comes to the conversion, how everything is set up. Now, this is a landing page, guys. So that makes the results even crazier. And let me pause my Zoom really quick because that shit just pissed me off. So like I said, guys, this was a conversion campaign. This was a funnel. This was not a lead form campaign. This was sending traffic to a website and calculating the conversions via a Facebook pixel. So number one, we're sending traffic. We're choosing our conversion as website. Then we have a pixel set up on the back end, which if you guys want me to do a video on how to set up a Facebook pixel the right way so you calculate all the data, put that in the comments below. I'll be happy to make that video for you guys. And then we're tracking the lead conversion events. So this is when someone actually fills out the form. We're not messing around with the cost per result goal. We're just doing it as standard. Now, the budget for this campaign was about $30 a day. We rose it up and put it back down depending on how good that was. Then we have our location sent 10 miles around the client's radius, which is pretty much a standard. For my industry, ages 23 to 52 is pretty good for this client after doing some competitive research, and we've been working with this client for a long time. So we just know that that age demographic is exactly what works. Then we're targeting just women. Now in the med spa space, in the aesthetic space, in the body contouring space, we just want to target women as there are key demographic. So that's what we're going for here. And then here is some of the targeting that I used in order to get the best results for this client. So engaged shoppers, aesthetics, beautiful skin, beauty and style, cool sculpting, day spa, health and wellness, health and beauty salon, spas, online shopping. Now, with all that going on, we also added in the top zip codes in this client's area. That way we're only targeting high income. And then we also put expensive taste in there and high net worth individuals. So we're not getting any tire kickers in there. And then you always want to put just English on the language if you're marketing to an English-based city or anything like that. If you're, marketing elsewhere in other countries, just make sure the language is actually the language that everyone speaks. And then we're doing advantage placements. So this is just typical. We've tested manual versus advantage. Honestly, they're all the same. Very similar results. If you want to do manual placements, you can do that. Get more technical, start making story ads, making all these things for us. We just leave it on advantage because that's what works best for us. So let's jump into the ads here and see which ad was the best performer. So jumping into our ads here, you can see there's a couple ads that are the best performers by a long shot. And these ads are these two, which they're both probably video ads. So let's jump into here and see what we're working with. Here we are inside the ad, and this ad is responsible for about 2,000 of the 3,000 leads. And it's very obvious why this ad is working so well to me, but maybe not to you guys. Now, this is an FAQ style ad. What that means is it's frequently asked questions that this client gets, and she's answering them in the video. So she goes, hey, I'm a body contouring expert, and people ask me the same 3 questions every single time. So I'm going to answer those for you today. Number 1, does it hurt? Number 2, how much does it cost? Number 3, etc. Right? So that's how the ad works. If you guys want to see the ad, go to Facebook ads library, type in Baddie Body Spa, and you're going to see the ad. And you can go in there and see the actual video ad in real time. I would play it here, but I'm scared it's not going to play through my Loom. So we're just going to play it. Maybe I will edit this and throw it in Not sure how good I am at editing at this point, to be honest. I'm just providing you guys with raw freaking knowledge. So take it in, take it how it goes. So that's what the ad is, right? Body contouring FAQ style ad. Very, very simple, but very powerful. And we have all our clients make these style videos because they perform really, really well. Then we have a different placements. My media buyer does that. Honestly, I have no idea what all this stuff is. So feeds, stories, reels, whatever. We do automatic placements. It works. You don't have to get into the nitty gritty and edit everything for each placement. There's really no need for that unless you're getting super technical with like some e-commerce stuff. So what is this ad saying? So it says, get a workout, skip the work. Sculpt, tone, and firm with our $149 new guest special. So here's our core offer, you guys. $149 for a body contouring session. That's a new guest special only. This single session includes 90 minutes of laser lipo, RF skin tightening, and ultrasonic cavitation. Click the Learn More button below to book your appointment. So from all this, you guys, people click on the Learn More button. It goes to their website, and then all the magic starts to happen. So again, $3 cost per lead, $3 CPL on a funnel. If anyone else has done that in this industry, I'd love to know in the comments below, because this ad is freaking killing it. Like I said, $50,000 per month. So let's jump into the landing page, and then we'll go into the automation. So I can show you guys the secret sauce on why this actually works so well. Here we are in the client's funnel. So all that traffic from the ad I just showed you guys on Facebook Ads Manager is actually directing right to this page. Now, this page is very simple, but it has some key benefits, and I'm gonna highlight some of those here on why this performs so well. So big call to action up top, big call to action right here, go down, another call to action, go down, another call to action, right? What else do we have? Well, we have a video explaining their location. We have the client make this themselves. It's literally her walking around the spot, showing her location, telling the client where they can park. Very simple video, but it works really, really well. Then we have the offer right here, what it includes, and then clear calls to action where they literally click this and they can fill out this form just like that. We also have their location right here just so people can see it. Then we have testimonials and then real client results below that. So very, very simple. This is the exact landing page. Take it as it is. It's not the craziest landing page, craziest thing in the world, but it has clear call to actions, and it has the offer, has the location, has customer reviews, and then this video absolutely dominates. So I'll fast forward through this video for a second so you can see it. She's walking through her location, showing you where you could park, etc. Very simple, but it works very, very well. Then once somebody clicks full name, email, and phone number, they get sent to the second step of our funnel, which is where they can book their appointment. So we have the calendar embedded. We tell them exactly what they need to do in order to get this appointment. They can go in here, book their own appointment, and they actually have to put in their credit card information to confirm that appointment. Now you're probably thinking, hey, Hayden, this doesn't really work. How is somebody going to put a payment on through the funnel? Well, if I go back to Ads Manager here, and let me just go back it up. I'm sorry, got on a tangent there. But if we go back here, okay, out of the 2,000 leads, how many people scheduled? Well, 191 people went through the funnel automatically and scheduled themselves and paid the $49 without talking to anyone. So why do we put that as a second step? Well, because it actually works. Now you might be thinking that's not a huge number, but it adds up. And if you can get bookings automatically, especially deposited bookings for your client, then the show up rate is going to be high and your client's going to be really happy because they didn't even do anything and they got 191 booked appointments, which is just absolutely insane. So going back, this is where they actually put in their information. They put in their card. They get put into an automatic appointment reminder campaign. And so let me show you guys the secret sauce with the automation, what's actually happened on the back end to get these clients to respond and get them to book as well. So here we are inside of our CRM system. This is Go High Level, but it is white labeled. So it's ours. It's called Client Runway. This is what it looks like. So you can see all the leads here, all the information, etc., and how we have this laid out. So if you look, we have hot leads, conversation in progress, future callbacks, new leads day one, etc., etc. So we have this whole pipeline laid out for the client. We customize this with this client because they're following up the leads themselves in order to maximize the results. And as you can see, 918 booked appointments, just like that. Pretty crazy stuff. Now let's dive into the automation that makes all this possible, how we get all these leads to respond. As you can see, look at all these conversations here that are happening in real time. So let's jump into that so I can show you my screen and yeah, just go over exactly what's happening in the automation. Jumping into the automation here, guys, you could see that this campaign has had 6,000 leads go to the opt-in campaign. And then out of that, 3,208 leads actually replied to that. So that's a 53% reply rate, which is extremely good. We've had other campaigns get around 63%, but anywhere above 40 is honestly really, really good. So that's what we really go for. Next, if I jump in here to the opt-in campaign, let's take a look at some of this messaging. And it's really, really simple. We're not doing any crazy long-term nurtures, but we're just keeping it simple, guys. So this basically waits like 30 seconds and then it sends the first point of contact. So this will be an SMS. And we're not even messing around with emails or anything like that because we know that SMS gets the best reply rate. So it simply says, hey, first name, this is Batty Body Spot. We saw that you redeemed a voucher for the $149 offer. Congratulations on taking your first step towards your weight loss journey. What part of the body are you looking to work on, right? Next, 2 days later, we sent another message saying, hey, are you still interested? And then the last thing, we sent another SMS, just reaching out one more time to see if they're still interested. Now we're getting so much volume here that we don't necessarily need to do these crazy long-term nurture campaigns because we're getting so many new leads. And we all know that if you follow up with the new leads as soon as possible, get to the people that are really interested, you're going to convert a lot of these bookings. So from there, guys, they're literally replying, they're going into the conversations, they're following up with the leads, and they're taking over the conversation from there. Then we have some of our other like follow-up appointment reminder campaigns, which I'll jump into right now. So here we are in the appointment reminder workflow. It's very, very simple. If you guys are familiar with Go High Level, really simple stuff. We're basically, whenever a new appointment is confirmed, we're adding them to that correct column inside Client Runway. We're adding a tag. We're sending them an SMS. We're sending them an email follow-up, just like this. It's very, very simple. It says, here is your appointment information, etc. Then 2 days before the appointment, we're sending them another text just like that. Then, which is a little different here, we're asking for the reply. So we're asking for the confirmation for that appointment. So anyone that replies will go in here saying, hey, thank you, we'll see you at your appointment. Anyone that doesn't will get some additional appointment reminders as well. So really, really important. Here's a look at the flow. Super easy to recreate if you guys want to create this for yourselves. And that's basically it, guys. So what you just saw right now is, you know, direct correlation of how all these pieces work together. Now, if you're not familiar with ads, if you're not familiar with Go High Level, all of this information, all right, guys, and without making this video too long, here's the last piece of the puzzle. It's the appointment reminder workflow that we have here. So really, really simple. Once an appointment is confirmed, we're updating them inside of Go High Level to the right column. We're adding a tag. We're sending an SMS. We're sending an email. We're waiting 4 days before the appointment. We're sending another text. 2 days before the appointment, another text. Then we have this, which is really interesting. We're saying, hey, your appointment's tomorrow. Please confirm by sending us the letter C. If they do reply with the letter C, it confirms it by sending them this message. If it doesn't, they get another reminder and another email, etc. And this just increases the show up rate. So creating a workflow that looks like this will dramatically help your results as well. You guys have it. That is exactly how I get my clients results just like that, which is $50,000 a month on just one ad. So if you guys thinking that SMMA is dead or you don't know how to deliver results, I'm showing you guys right now that in real time, you know, the month of September and way before that, this ad's been going on for like a year, that it's still possible to get great results for your clients month after month. You just have to have a really good strategy behind it, really good fulfillment, and really good SOPs. If you guys need anything from me, feel free to ask me a question in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one.